Have you ever dreamt of starting your own business, but felt overwhelmed by the thought of mountains of paperwork, confusing legal jargon, and endless trips to government offices? If the answer is a resounding yes, then you're in the right place. For so many aspiring entrepreneurs, the very first hurdle, business registration, feels like an insurmountable mountain. You have brilliant ideas, innovative products, and a burning desire to make your mark, but the administrative burden of turning that dream into a legally recognized entity can be a major deterrent. Think about it. Before you can even think about your first customer, your first sale, or your grand opening, you need to navigate the often complex world of business formation. What type of entity should you choose? An LLC, a corporation, a sole proprietorship? What are the implications of each? What forms do you need to file? Where do you file them? How long will it take? And perhaps most critically, how do you avoid making costly mistakes that could haunt your business for years to come? These aren't just minor annoyances. They're legitimate concerns that can stall innovation, delay launches, and even lead to financial penalties if not handled correctly. The traditional path often involves a steep learning curve, requiring you to become an overnight expert in corporate law, state regulations, and tax codes. You might find yourself sifting through countless government websites, trying to decipher legal documents written in language that seems designed to confuse rather than clarify. You might spend hours on hold with various agencies, only to be redirected to another department or given conflicting information. Or you might consider hiring an expensive lawyer, a cost that many startups simply can't afford in their initial stages. This isn't just about the money. It's about the precious time and energy you could be pouring into developing your product, marketing your services, and connecting with your target audience. Instead, you're stuck in bureaucratic quicksand. This is where MyCompanyWorks steps in. Imagine a world where the business registration process is not a nightmare, but a streamlined, intuitive, and even enjoyable experience. A world where expert guidance is just a click away, where your documents are prepared with precision, and where you're kept informed every step of the way. That's the promise of MyCompanyWorks. They're designed to take the stress, the confusion, and the overwhelming paperwork out of forming your business, allowing you to focus on what you do best, building your dream. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how MyCompanyWorks transforms this often dreaded process into a simple, efficient journey. We'll walk through their platform step by step, highlighting key features that make it a standout choice for entrepreneurs at any stage. From choosing your business type to submitting your final documents, you'll see firsthand how MyCompanyWorks empowers you to establish your legal entity with confidence and ease. So let's dive in and see how MyCompanyWorks can be your secret weapon in launching your entrepreneurial venture. Starting your journey. The MyCompanyWorks homepage. When you first land on the MyCompanyWorks website, you'll immediately notice its clean, user-friendly design. Unlike some government websites that feel like a relic from the early internet, MyCompanyWorks is modern, intuitive, and designed with the user experience in mind. The homepage clearly lays out your primary options: start a company or manage a company. For our demo today, we'll focus on starting a new business, but it's worth noting that MyCompanyWorks also offers robust tools for ongoing compliance and management. The first crucial decision for any new business is selecting the right entity type. MyCompanyWorks understands this and provides clear, concise information about the most common structures: LLCs, corporations, S Corp and C Corp, and DBAs. They don't just throw definitions at you. They explain the key differences, the benefits of each, and help you understand which one might be the best fit for your specific business goals, liability concerns, and tax implications. This initial guidance is invaluable, especially for those who are new to the world of business formation. They often have helpful comparison charts and even quizzes to help you narrow down your choice, saving you hours of independent research. Let's say, for the purpose of this demo, that we've decided to form a limited liability company, or LLC. This is a popular choice for many small businesses and startups due to its balance of personal liability protection and flexible taxation. The easy-to-follow ordering process. Once you've selected your entity type, MyCompanyWorks guides you through their straightforward ordering process. This is where the magic truly happens. as they break down what could be a complex process into manageable, logical steps. Step 1. Choosing your state. The first step is to choose the state where you want to register your business. MyCompanyWorks handles registrations in all 50 states and DC, so no matter where you're located or where you plan to operate, they've got you covered. This is a critical decision, as state laws and filing fees can vary significantly. MyCompanyWorks provides access to state-specific guides, which can be incredibly helpful in understanding the nuances of each jurisdiction. Step 2. Business name availability search. Next, you'll enter your desired business name. This isn't just a simple text input. MyCompanyWorks performs an instant, unlimited name availability search. This is a crucial feature because finding out your desired name is already taken after you've invested time and effort can be incredibly frustrating. If your primary choice isn't available, MyCompanyWorks will often suggest alternatives, helping you pivot quickly and efficiently. This proactive approach saves you time and potential refiling headaches. Step 3. Selecting your package and add-ons. MyCompanyWorks offers tiered packages designed to meet different needs and budgets. Their plans typically range from a basic formation service to more comprehensive options that include features like a federal tax ID, EIN, application, registered agent service, and compliance alerts. Let's briefly look at what some of these packages might offer. Basic package. This usually includes the core essentials: name availability search, preparation and filing of your articles of organization for an LLC or articles of incorporation for a corporation, and personalized organizational minutes/operating agreement. This is a great starting point for those on a tight budget who are comfortable handling some of the subsequent steps themselves. Entrepreneur package. This mid-tier option often builds upon the basic package by adding valuable features like EIN obtainment, which is essential for hiring employees, opening a business bank account, and filing taxes. It might also include a compliance alert system to keep you informed of important filing deadlines. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.